I Am Creator Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering using I Am Creator as your website builder, watch this before you dive in. I Am Creator is a lightweight, user-friendly platform designed for individuals, small businesses, and creative professionals who need a quick and simple way to build a professional-looking website. One of its standout features is its stripes and polydom system, which allows you to stack pre-designed blocks of content to build your site without coding. The editor is straightforward, making it accessible even for complete beginners. It also provides modern, fully responsive templates optimized for mobile devices, ensuring your site looks great on any screen size. I Am Creator is ideal for artists, photographers, and small businesses because of its focus on clean, visually stunning designs. Templates cater to portfolios, e-commerce, and service-based businesses with integrated blogging and store functionality. The built-in e-commerce tools are perfect for selling products or services, and there's a simple way to track inventory and manage orders. However, it's not as robust as platforms like Shopify if your business revolves heavily around online sales. One key feature that stands out is its affordability. The free plan is available for students, artists, and nonprofits, while the premium plans remain budget-friendly for businesses looking for more features, like a custom domain, unlimited hosting, or advanced analytics. The free version does include I Am Creator branding, so upgrading is a must if you want a more professional appearance. On the downside, the platform lacks the flexibility of more advanced builders like Wix or Squarespace. Customization options are limited. You can only work within the template framework, which might frustrate users who want full creative control. The absence of a drag-and-drop interface might also feel restrictive for some users. Additionally, advanced SEO tools and integrations are somewhat limited, which might hinder your site's ability to rank highly on search engines without extra effort. In summary, I Am Creator is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a quick, visually appealing website with minimal hassle, especially for creative projects or small-scale businesses. However, if you're seeking a highly customizable builder or one with advanced e-commerce and SEO features, you might need to explore alternatives. It's a lightweight, budget-friendly tool designed for simplicity, not for those requiring extensive functionality. Consider your needs carefully before committing. If simplicity and design are your priorities, I Am Creator might be the perfect fit for you.